AI. AI for the defense, Your Honor. There's been a lot of talks about artificial intelligence in the BPO industry, in the manufacturing sector, in entertainment, etc. But how effective can AI be in the legal profession? Will AI replace lawyers? Will defendants be trustful of AI in defending them? Uh, so, up to what extent can AI be used in the legal profession? Well, to to simply put it, I am not the right person uh, to to give an answer to that. But again, the main purpose of this conversation is for me to raise the level of awareness, especially the common people, because time will come that this kind of conversation will be at the level of the general population. Imagine during the pandemic, right? For maybe 2 years, we were doing cashless transactions, right? Who would have imagined that to happen in an instant? So in the legal field, for example, assuming let's say you want to claim for some damages, so how can AI help you? So normally there are a lot of documents to be filled out. Yes, that can be done by AI. Not even AI, probably even the simpler modes of automation like RPA can do that. AI involves the more complicated stuff because AIs are programmed, generative AI are programmed to, in a way, think. So it's machine learning. The more it is exposed on the day-to-day operations, the more it gathers data, then the better your AI would be in dealing with your concerns, right? And sometimes AI can also be able to scan documents very quickly, read through them. So that's the advantage of having an AI because it can read voluminous documents in an instant. And definitely AIs don't take breaks. They don't stress out, uh, and they can withstand. Uh, they actually don't have uh, the capability of being stressed. They're not pressured. You cannot bribe the machine. You cannot influence them. They will just merely be giving you outputs based on data. So the possibilities are endless. So will there be a time that AIs will undergo the bar exam? Will there be certifications for AI before it can be used on certain legal concerns? Will there be AI for civil cases, AI for criminal cases, and the list goes on. So again, the important thing here is for the common people, and that involves everyone, to be aware that the future is here. So time will come that you will be dealing with all of this, and it is really very important for us, for you, for everyone, to discuss this. I'm sure it will not be a very cerebral or scholastic discussion, but nevertheless, it is a discussion. It is really very important for the people to start talking about artificial intelligence. It is the future, and the future is here. Uh, Maybe not in our lifetime that we'll see people in Mars, but we need to start uh, dwelling into the possibilities. the possibilities of multiverses, for example. So going back to the topic of AI, as a legal practitioner, definitely that will happen. There are now AIs that can gather pieces of evidence and provide the legal practitioner, the human, as to the possible outcome of the case, and therefore allow him or her to make some adjustments or to gather additional evidence. Again, AI is here, and it is really very important for the ordinary people to start thinking about it. I will empower you. We will continue to talk about that. And I'm sure there will be a time that it will now be as simple as the cashless transactions that we are now very familiar with. Remember, during that time, it's almost probably impossible for the common person to understand how he or she can do commerce online, right? So, again, let's start this discussion. Let's raise the level of understanding of everyone because, after all, technology needs people, right? And the only way we can be profitable in introducing this technology is if and or when everyone is aware of its importance and its uses, uh, and how it can affect their ordinary life. Just like when we introduced the cashless transaction. Now, everyone, no age limit, are involved in cashless transactions. Soon, maybe you don't need to talk to a person to ask for legal advice. Again, I'm not the authority to tell you that, but what's important is to trigger everyone's curiosity that the future is here. All right.